Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Beattie. I'm a Creativity, Innovation and Leadership Specialist at Alliance Manchester Business School, and this is the first of a short series of videos sharing some insights from some recently published research that we've done looking at creativity, innovation, job design and leadership within the Dubai government. Now, the full report, this jobby here, is available. You better find it on either the link underneath this post or in my biography, but of course you probably don't want to read all 40 pages, so I'm going to try and provide you with some very short, bite-sized insights. Now, first of all, let me tell you about the research. It's a mixed methods research. That means we combined both quantitative and analytical approaches and also qualitative. So what we had was a survey about individual, team, organisation and job level factors about creativity and innovation, and we also asked employees of the Dubai government some questions. A simple question which went something along the lines of, what would you do to improve creativity and innovation in your part of the organisation? Now, through analysing both of those sets of results, the survey results on one hand and then the responses that came through from the written responses to that question, we were able to come up with two broad classes of recommendation for the Dubai government, which can be applied to other organisations as well, about how to be more creative and innovative. Now, the first class, the first set of recommendations are about leadership and culture, and the second set of recommendations are about supporting practices. And what I'm now going to do is quickly share with you the very first of our findings around leadership and culture. Now, what that was is that great organisations, and within the Dubai government as well, was a need to understand that to create the right organisation that's going to support creativity and innovation does not rely on any quick fix, any single particular solution, but rather an interwoven range of initiatives, different things that come together around leadership and culture and the supporting practices. And for the rest of the videos that I'm going to be sharing, it'll be showing you in one way or another what those different supporting practices might look like. So that's our first finding. It's all about understanding the rich interwoven system, and I'll be back soon to share with you further ideas and further supporting practices for making your organisation more creative and more innovative.